In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the balance on your Shopify card. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify seller or just getting started, keeping track of your finances is crucial for managing your business effectively. So, let's delve into the steps to check your balance effortlessly. First, let's make sure you have the necessary tools to begin. You'll need access to your Shopify account either through a web browser or the Shopify app. If you prefer using a desktop, open your web browser and navigate to Shopify's website. Log in with your credentials, and you'll be directed to your dashboard. For those of you using the Shopify app on your smartphone, simply launch the app and enter your login information. Both methods will lead you to your Shopify home. Once you're logged in, look for the Finances section. This section holds all your financial information, including your Shopify balance. If you're on a desktop, you'll find it on the left-hand side menu bar. On the mobile app, tap the menu icon to access the same options. Navigate to Finances and click on it. Now that you're in the Finances section, you should see an option labeled Shopify Balance. Click on this to access a detailed view of your funds. This page not only shows your available balance but also gives you an overview of recent transactions. Seeing your balance alongside recent payments and charges provides a comprehensive picture of your Shopify funds. As you review your balance, you might notice options to filter transaction types or adjust the date range. These tools are invaluable for those looking to scrutinize specific transactions or assess financial trends over time. By making use of these filters, you ensure that you're observing the most pertinent information to your business needs. Occasionally, you might need further information on a specific transaction. If that's the case, click on the transaction directly. Doing so reveals additional details, such as the payment source and any applicable fees. This step is particularly beneficial when you're conducting financial audits or reconciling accounts. For those who use multiple currencies or have an international business, bear in mind that the balance displayed is typically in your store's default currency. If you're curious about foreign currency transactions, you may want to check the Payments section within Finances for more in-depth information. Finally, remember to log out after you've gathered the information you need. This practice is essential to keep your financial data secure, especially if you're using a shared or public device. And there you have it, an easy-to-follow guide on how to check the balance on your Shopify card. Being vigilant about your financial statistics not only helps in immediate decision-making but also equips you for long-term planning. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your business effectively with Shopify.